Hi guys, good morning. So update for today, grabe ang ulan. So almost 1 hour na kami naghintay. So totally wala pa talagang bus kasi because some area ay baha. So tuloy ang ulan. Almost 4 days na yung ulan guys dito sa Dubai. So medyo talagang pahirapan yung magsakay papunta ng work. So actually nag-update naman ako sa manager ko na baka malate ako. So still waiting pa rin guys, so baka mamaya so kanatin nila yung ulan kasi wala akong payo. Okay. So ngayon guys, parami naman naghintay ng bus. Actually, naghintay ako ng 5:40. So yung oras ngayon is 6:30, maging 6:40 na. So until na wala pa rin bus. So ayan, lahat naghintay. So sa ganitong sitwasyon pa naman guys, pag wala kang pasok, syempre naka-biometrics kami. So anytime kung hindi kami papasok, walang sahod. So paano nila yung mga bayarin, yung mga bills, ang mga padalan sa Pilipinas. So sana maya-maya meron ng bus. So guys, from this 1 hour na, wala pa rin bus. So sa dami namin, so ito na lang nakikira. So try pa rin until it's 2 hours, wala pa rin yung bus. So siguro talagang hindi na ako papasok. So nag-update na ako sa manager ko guys na kung 1.5 na wala pa rin bus, so uwi na lang siguro ko. Pero yun nga, sabi ko, sayang naman din. Umising na akong maaga, nag-prepare na ako lahat. Siyempre, kung maigi, try ko lang din mga 1.5 kung merong bus, kung wala talaga. So siguro uwi na lang talaga ako. Siyang malungkot nga lang guys, ganito kasi naka-biometrics kami, may no work, no pay kami. So siguro mag-work na lang ako sa mga YouTube, yun na lang. So yun guys, until now is wala pa ring bus. May mga area kasi dito na as in baha talaga. So kaya walang bus. Kagabi pa kasi yung ulan kaya ganito siya. Ayun sa kabilang side yan baha. Guys, nagutom na ako kakahintay ng bus. Buti lang may biscuit akong baon. Nako na yung power ko. Gutom na ako. So guys, from doon sa Alcanare building, naglakad na lang kami papunta dito sa may stadium side. Ay sa may yung kumbaga yung bus na galing sa Sahara papunta dito. So dito na kami try namin dito kung may bus. Ang lamig pa. So sana hindi uulan kasi pwede naman siyang lakarin yung stadium. Siguro mga 15 minutes. Kasi ayoko rin talagang hindi ako papasok. No work, no pay guys. Oh my God. So ang daming ngayon naghihintay ng bus kasi baha, you know. So yan guys, may mga abakas pa ng tubig. So may mga area talaga na super baha. Yan. Kasi ang ulan kagabi pa. So kaya talagang babaha. Yan, so guys, see? Nasa tapat na kami ng NMC. Kaya nasa Alcanare ako, so wala ngang bus. So try ko ulit dito, pero grabe, dami. Sobrang, ang dami pang mas naghihintay dito na nakakasakay man lang. Wala pang bus. Everybody is just walking, going to metro station.
What are you
Stadium. I'm doing my vlog, I'm doing my video also. Hi guys! Oh my God! So we don't have umbrella also. So, ito, pahirapan.
No option.
No option. If I know, like, there's no bus, the time I'm starting to wait there, the bus, 5:40. So better I'll just start walk the time going to stadium. Oh! have umbrella. Now guys, starting again. See the other side. The other side is the water is there. So nasa gitna kami ng dito para maglakad. So just I have my new friend. What's your good name?
Magdis.
Huh?
Magdis.
Maggie?
Maggie, yeah.
Maggie, okay. It's easy to call her Maggie. Hi Maggie.
Hello.
Yeah, because the time she talked to me while I'm waiting there in the Alcanari. So she's asking me which time the bus or how long if the bus is not there. So I told like almost 1 hour more than. Oh my god, I've been here 5:40 and there is no bus. So we decide guys, okay, let's try from that side in the NMC. Maybe there's a bus, but no. We saw the driver, there is some bus and he just passed and then he said like there's no bus so you have to walk going to metro station. So this is the time guys. It's going like how many already like I didn't do my vlog but this time, oh my god. So see you guys later. We'll update you later. Bye. Everyone is walking, going to stadium. Pas. So look at guys. The water is over there. The water. See? I can see the metro station there.
They need
It's
more
almost
10 minutes.
Yeah, more than minutes, but it's okay. Then we wait there, and there's no bus. So guys, nakikita ko na yung stadium, yung metro. Nilakad na lang namin as exercise in the morning. So the blood. Terrible day. So, at last guys, nakarating na ako after 2 hours. Hindi pwedeng hindi mag-work kasi no work, no pay at naka-biometrics tayo guys. So, tuloy lang ang buhay kahit anong agos ng buhay at ulan mat kung ano man. So, kailangan lang go. Bye!